Hello, it's Friday the 29th of August, and this is my market recap for the day. So, before I'm going to get into the horrible trade which I took today, let's start out with my bias, which was bullish due to us being in a 4-hour bullish structure. This was before market open, and daily was bullish as well. So, I marked out these 1 hour lows. Click on the 1 hour. These 1 hour lows which I wanted to see get taken out, and these lows which both got taken out, but I didn't realize that once we took out these lows we also closed the 4-hour candle below this low, so that meant we broke structure to the downside on the 4 hour, which meant my bias was kind of invalidated. Moreover, this was a drastic move down, and this trade I took just was against the trend. Before I entered here, I also noticed this high time frame low, which I thought my price might draw towards, but for some reason I didn't take it into account when I took the trade. Instead, I took it based off this horrible break of structure, since this wasn't even a break of structure, and this order block retracement, which would have been valid had this break of structure also been correct. If had I not considered this to be structure shift on the 5 minute, I would have considered it to be after this candle closed, and that meant that I would have had to wait till price retraced back towards this 5 minute order block and then wait for a confirmation, which never came since price fell down below this low, and that would have invalidated my whole idea. A shit idea, by the way, since this was clearly fighting against the trend. So yeah, it probably wasn't the best idea to take a trade while on a 14-hour train ride with 5 hours of sleep. But as much as I'd like to blame those things for why I lost today, this was just bad decision making. Probably tired, I don't know. It just wasn't a really good trade in general. Compared to the one which I took yesterday, this is horrible. It's basically the opposite. Everything was done wrong, unfortunately. But yeah, can't brood over it too much. I just recorded it to get it out there. And see you next trading week with 5 more trading recaps for each day of the week.